Hello again. It's time for Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. And today we're looking at phrasal verbs. Now, in English, we love phrasal verbs. Some of them are quite literal in their meaning. For example, put on, take off. You put on your coat. You take off your coat. The meaning is clear. However, some phrasal verbs, the second word changes the meaning of the verb. For example, break down, break down. I'm sorry I'm late. My car broke down. The engine stopped working. So my car broke down. Find out, meaning discover. I never found out who sent my wife those flowers. Another possibility, take off. Literal meaning take off a coat, but the plane took off. It left the ground. I was so nervous when the plane took off. Give up. Give up. I tried many times to contact her, but in the end, I gave up. I stopped trying. Get on. Now, you probably know the literal meaning of get on. You get on a bus. But get on can have a different meaning. For example, how did you get on in the exam? Were you successful? Was it okay? Did you pass? How did you get on in the exam? Last example, get by. Get by. My French is okay. I can just about get by. Meaning people just about understand. It's not too bad. Not fantastic, but not too bad. Get by. I can get by in French. So, English grammar, phrasal verbs, easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.